In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero invoices in our full 2025 tutorial. If you've ever struggled with managing your invoices effectively using Xero, this guide is here to make things a whole lot easier. Let's dive right into it. The first step is to head over to Xero.com. You'll want to sign in using your credentials. Before you proceed, ensure that your account provides you with invoice access permissions. This access is crucial for viewing and managing your invoices. Once you've logged in and confirmed your permissions, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the business section and click on Invoices. This is where all your invoicing magic happens. You'll notice several tabs labeled Awaiting Payment, Paid, Draft, and All. Each of these tabs serves a different purpose. The Awaiting Payment tab lists all invoices that are yet to be paid, while the Paid tab lets you see those which have been completely settled. The Draft tab holds invoices that haven't been sent out yet, and finally the All tab compiles every invoice processed in the system. To view the specifics of any invoice, simply click on the invoice number, which will open up all its details. This screen provides critical information such as customer details, items listed, amounts due, applicable taxes, and additional notes. If you're in a situation where you need to make changes, this is also the place to edit the invoice. Go ahead and make any necessary modifications before you approve or send the invoice. When it comes to downloading or printing a single invoice, the process is straightforward. Open the invoice you need, then look for the PDF/print option at the top. This allows you to either save the file as a PDF or print it out directly. Having a hard copy is great for your records or for your customers' use. Now, if you need to handle multiple invoices, rejoice because this process is streamlined too. Head to the business section again. Click on Invoices and then select All Invoices. Utilize the available filters to sort invoices by date, status, or customer, whatever suits your needs. Once filtered, select the Export option and download the data in either CSV or Excel format. This capability is particularly useful for accounting tasks, tax filings, or generating comprehensive reports. Finally, sending invoices directly to customers is seamless. Open the desired invoice and click on the email option. Fill in the customer's email address along with your message. One great feature of Xero is that it automatically attaches the invoice as a PDF, so you don't have to worry about manual attachments. Click Send and your invoice is on its way. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on managing your invoices with Xero. I hope this has made your invoicing process smoother and more efficient.